Are you scanning the horizon for ways to make extra money in 2024? In an ever-evolving economic climate, the need for side hustles has never been more apparent. It's not just about earning more, but finding stability and flexibility in multiple income streams. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream holiday, or simply build a financial cushion, side hustles can provide the extra boost your wallet needs. Well, you're in luck, because we've got 5 side hustles that could potentially make you rich this year. Our first lucrative side hustle is leveraging your digital skills as a freelancer. The digital domain is brimming with opportunities for those with aptitudes in areas such as graphic design, social media management, and website development. The demand for these skills is skyrocketing, and the best part? You can cash in on this demand right from the comfort of your home. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have revolutionized the freelance landscape, making it easier than ever to connect with clients from all over the globe. Whether it's crafting a dynamic website, designing a catchy logo, or managing a brand's online presence, your digital skills can be your ticket to a profitable side hustle. The potential earnings are enticing, to say the least. With the flexibility to choose your projects and set your rates, you can create a steady income flow that complements your full-time job. Remember, the digital world is a gold mine waiting for you to dig in. Our next profitable side hustle is online tutoring. Imagine turning your knowledge into a lucrative venture right from the comfort of your home. The demand for online education and tutoring is skyrocketing, thanks to the ever-evolving technology and the global thirst for knowledge. There's a wide array of subjects you can teach, from mathematics, science, English to programming languages, and even foreign languages like Spanish, French, or Mandarin. The world is your oyster, and your expertise is your pearl. Platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com provide a seamless interface for tutors to connect with eager learners. And what's more, the earnings can be quite impressive, with some tutors earning up to $100 an hour, depending on their expertise and experience. But it's not just about the money. There's a profound satisfaction in helping others learn and grow, in being a part of their journey to success. So if you've got a knack for teaching, this could be your ticket to extra income. Our third money-spinning side hustle is dropshipping. Now you might ask, what on earth is dropshipping? Well, it's a unique e-commerce model where you don't hold any inventory. Instead, you act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. When a customer places an order, you forward it to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You pocket the difference between the supplier's price and the price you sell at. The potential profits from dropshipping can be quite substantial. However, the key to success lies in choosing the right niche and products. You want to find items that are in demand, but not overly saturated in the market. Research is your best friend here. Dropshipping offers a low-risk way to dip your toes into the e-commerce world. If done right, it can become a profitable business. So why not give it a shot? After all, if done right, dropshipping can become more than just a side hustle. The fourth side hustle on our list is affiliate marketing. This is a savvy approach to earning an income by leveraging the products of others. Here's how it works. You choose a product you like, promote it, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. The key to success in affiliate marketing is finding a profitable niche. This means choosing products or services in an area that you're passionate or knowledgeable about, and where there's a demand. Earnings can be substantial, with some marketers raking in thousands every month. The beauty of it all is that once you've set up your affiliate links, they can generate income round the clock. With affiliate marketing, you can make money while you sleep. Finally, the fifth side hustle is renting out property on Airbnb. Imagine having a room, an apartment, or even a house that you're not using. Instead of letting it sit idle, you can turn it into a cash cow by listing it on Airbnb. This platform has revolutionized the hospitality industry, giving everyone a chance to earn a steady stream of passive income. The potential earnings are enticing, but remember, it's not just about having a space to rent. It's about creating a memorable experience for your guests. Cleanliness, comfort, and a touch of personal charm can go a long way. So, if you've got some spare space, why not make it work for you? So there you have it, 5 side hustles that could make you rich in 2024. We've explored freelance digital skills, online tutoring, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and renting out property on Airbnb. It's an exciting world of opportunities awaiting. Now it's up to you to take the first step towards financial freedom. Good luck.